kitten is happily cheering for its mother, who is singing on stage, when a black cat grabs it and takes it away.
Someone took my child! Give me back the kitten!
Mom, save me!
The evil cats demanded $1 million to release the kitten, so the mother cat gathered all her jewelry to sell. Mother cat holds ransom money in her hand and remembers her past. When the mother cat was pregnant, she was constantly cursed by her husband's cat and chased away. At first, the mother cat and her kitten had to beg for food on the cold street. Then the mother cat, very hard working to earn money to take care of her kitten. Now back to the present. Oh no, it turns out the white cat is the leader.
Don't be afraid. I just need money.
The white cat was shocked when it saw the picture the kitten showed, as it realized that the kitten was its own child.
I have brought the ransom! Release the kitten!
I don't need money anymore. I need family.
Never!
The mother cat did not forgive the person who abandoned her